I'll see y'all.
What's up, you guys? I am back with another video. I am Mom and Babs for you guys that do not know, and for the ones that are coming back, welcome back. Hey. But if you're new, you guys, please hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you guys comment and let me know that you guys are new. And I appreciate you guys for coming in here. And if you do hit that subscribe button, welcome to the Babs fam. Yay. But today, you guys, I have some chicken here with some cheese, and as you can see, I have some hot sauce on there too. And then I kind of whipped this cheese up here. I have some green onions in there. I have a little bit of lemon on the side too. You guys can't see that, but yeah, I was trying to show you the cheese. But yeah, then I also have some seasonings in there too, and also some Cajun seasoning, and also some hot sauce too, just thinking about that. But yeah, wanted to make a little kick to it, you know. Anyways, then I also have some celery right here to have like a little greens and stuff like that. You guys, I know you can't see my face, but right now this is kind of like a temporary thing. We're gonna have to just deal with it for right now. But once I figure out how I want things, I will definitely change it up. So let's go ahead and get started. And to this video and to this mukbang, I'm doing a chicken mukbang today. And let me go ahead and say my prayer. Thank you, God, for this food. May it nourish our bodies. Well, I said our bodies like it's more than one again. But may it nourish my body. I really appreciate you for supplying this for me and my family. And thank you, God, and thank you for everything you have done for us. Amen. Okay. Sorry. I always say that I always end up doing other stuff into my prayer, so. Oops. Jesus. Okay, I got a lot of skin there. If you guys want a bite, I'm going to get you guys a bite. And y'all, I came on here all natural today. I didn't feel like doing no makeup nothing. So, let's use my appearance. Even though I look beautiful without it anyway. Yeah, if I start moaning or burping, dancing, singing, humming, you name it, I'm sorry. If you don't like that, you don't stick around, see if you like my content. If not, then maybe you can find somebody that don't do that. I don't know. But since I'm at home, I don't eat like this out public. Even though on YouTube is public. I mean, it comes from my own home, you know? So, so I kind of don't care, you know? So, sorry. But if you stick around, I appreciate you sticking around. Welcome to the Bass Fam. You guys are sticking around. You guys are so awesome. You know, I really appreciate it. Sorry, I'm talking with my mouth full. But hey. What you guys eating with me today? Make sure you guys, the celery and cheese is so good. Comment down below and let me know what you're eating. Let me know what you guys like to eat with your chicken. Do you like to put something on top of it? Cheese is my favorite food, and not for chicken. So, it's my favorite food. And then I love me some hot sauce, y'all. Since I'm from Louisiana, love Louisiana hot sauce. Now there's some I can do like red hot and stuff like that. But yeah, what's your favorite hot sauce? I know some people like Tabasco and stuff like that, or sriracha. Comment down below what's your favorite food, you guys. Do you even have a favorite food? I also love seafood. Seafood is also one of my favorite food too. It's just safe to say all food is my favorite food, but cheese and chicken is like my favorite. Like, I love putting them together all the time. Cause I've grown to like steak. Like I used to like steak, but it wasn't like that until I started getting it cooked right. Like, people start cooking it right. How do you guys like your steak? Yeah, I got this lavalier on. And I'm always dropping food on me. I have food catchers, so I'm not going to get into that family friendly, you know. But the lavalier caught a piece of chicken. I didn't give you guys a bite of this celery and cheese. Let me do that. Do you guys like celery? If you guys still with me and you're new and you're subscribed, if the subscribe or the button or word is not grayed out, make sure you guys turn it gray. I'm telling you, change your life. We're your family here. We love to support each other. And won't you go ahead and turn that gray instead of being red? I'm just saying. Hit the subscribe button. If you like what I'm doing here, you guys, make sure you guys hit that like button. if you're liking what I'm doing so far, or liking what I have here. And make sure you guys go check out my other video, especially about the get out negativity thing video. Things take a turn. This is one of my favorite videos, and the reason is I was going through something at the time, and I made the video for myself, and I thought it would be best to have that for my kids. So in the future, like, you know, so much go on in schools for kids too. Like, we adults, not the only ones. Sorry y'all if y'all probably got some kind of feedback, but adults not the only ones that go through things. Like, kids go through stuff too, even though they don't have to pay for nothing and stuff like that. Excuse me. I have some water. But kids go through stuff too. So I wanted to make sure I have something for my kids to go back and look on if they go through something. I mean, for the kids too, not just for my own. But I was going through something at the time. And I thought, I was like, kind of like, I don't know. I just felt like I didn't do enough, you know? But come to find out, everybody was like, you did the right thing. You did the right thing. You guys will probably see what I'm talking about soon. I probably already have seen it. What I just went through with me and my family. And I just kind of needed that video, you know, not just only for that time, but any other time. Everybody need a video like that, or need someone to kind of remind them to pick your stuff up, you know. So make sure you guys go check out that video. I'm gonna make a new schedule here sometime soon, because everything not gonna work. I can try to, but excuse me. Me and my family, we eat different sometimes, and sometimes it's just not always like, even though I could put anything on here, but I don't want you guys to have anything. And I'm a Scorpio, and I always gotta have stuff like a certain way. Yeah, I'm getting full. So I'm gonna try my best to push out what I can, so we can get a bigger fam and touch other people. So the more people I touch, the more I know my work is done. Like, I got so much feedback on that other video, you guys. I was so happy with it. I couldn't believe it, actually. Like, I try to share positivity as much as I can. And I went through, like, man, last year was just so tough for me. And I always been a person that never asked for nothing. Like, I always try to handle stuff on my own, you know? God was trying to tell me that it was time for me to get taken care of. Like, so many things, like, changed. during that time. And then I realized what was for me and what was not for me. And I made like life-changing decisions to keep things together, you know. But yeah, looks like I'm out of cheese sauce, sad to say, so I will eat this later. But I'm gonna eat all my celery though. Love me some celery. Do you guys like celery and peanut butter? Anybody know about that combination? Some people are like, ew. No. Yeah, actually good. But yeah, really good, you guys. Should try it. Anyway, let me go. I'm still up here eating while I'm talking to y'all. I'm sorry. Where's my paper towel? But let me go, you guys. I love you guys so much. I really appreciate you. I knew not to wear my hair like this. Anyway, I appreciate you guys so much. Like you guys do not know. I really look at you guys as a family, so. And for my ones that are family that's on here, they always tell me my videos. But I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for always rocking with me. For the ones that have been rocking with me and came over to YouTube from my gaming, I appreciate you guys so much. I want to say thank you to my family. They give me this opportunity and give me this time to do things like this. Especially my husband, my mom, and my kids, or anybody else that basically take out time to help me with this, and that will help me in the future. But let me get off here because we're gonna change the mood on here. I don't want to get started. I'm always getting emotional about something. Anyway. Oh. Excuse me. Sorry. I'm sorry. Anyway. So let me go, you guys. I love you guys so much. You guys take care. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below and let me know what video I should do next. Or do you have anything in mind? Or all the things I asked, or all the questions I asked. Make sure you guys let me know about those things. You know, let me know how was your day. Let me know, you know, what's going on with you. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I had to burp in the middle of it. But I'm so serious, you guys. Let me know about you. You know what I mean? Like, if you're a small channel, don't use the spam words like sub back to me. Can you sub? And also like that, I need more subs. Or can you hug me and all stuff like that. You know, send me an email. Also, I'm on IG, on Instagram. Make sure you guys look me up on Instagram, mommy_babs, or somewhere like that. Just do the hashtag mommybabs. You'll find me. But anyways, and it's also in the description down below, so make sure you guys look for that. But you can find me on there too, and let me know that you guys are new to YouTube. I have a video for you guys. You guys need to go check that video out, for real. Like, seriously. I have in the description box what I use, and there's something that you guys will probably use, or if you're just starting off, you'll love to have. There's this thing that has a light, and it's also where you can hold your phone and all that.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, baby.
What are you doing?
Doing a video.
Huh?
Stay right there, because you don't have a shirt on. Hold on for a second, okay?
Yeah.
Shh. Okay. Anyways. So, make sure you guys, all those things I said, and make sure you guys go check out that video, like I said, if you're new. But anyways, you guys, I gotta go. As you can see, like I always say, my little ones always needing me, so I gotta go. Anyways, love you guys so much, and don't forget, love and peace and laughter is very important. Make sure you guys share this with everyone, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.